Okay, here we go. Example 6, another word problem. But we already know how to do these, and we know that it's going to be an equation, and we know we're going to have a variable. We just need to figure out what's going to be multiplying, adding, subtracting, dividing, and what is it going to be equal to. So here we go. Valerie needs 2/3 yard of fabric to make each hat for the school play. Write and solve an equation to find out how many hats she can make with 6 yards. That's kind of our hint right there. We know that basically she has 6 yards of fabric, and each hat can be made with just 2/3 of a yard of fabric. So how would I write that out? Well, I know I'm going to have an equal sign in there, and I know on one side I'm going to have 6 because that's the total amount, and I know on the other side I'm going to have 2/3. It says let n represent the number of hats. That's what we're trying to figure out. We're trying to figure out what n is. So 2/3 times the number of hats should only equal 6. So remember, you're thinking of two sides, two quantities that are equal to each other. Okay, so once you have that down, that's our equation. Once you have that down, then you're going to go ahead and start solving it. Basically, we're going to draw our line. I look at this and I say, oh, reciprocal. I know I can get rid of the 2/3 by dividing 2/3. How do I do that? By taking the reciprocal. There it goes. That n is by itself. So whatever you do to one side, make sure you do to the other. You got to make that 6 into a fraction. We can cross cancel. Okay, 2 can go into 2 one time. 2 can go into 6 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So the question is, how many hats can she make if she had 6 yards? She can make 9 hats. And this time it came out all nice and even. You can always check your work by placing 9 back in for n.